5 ways to make money online. In today's video, I want to show you 5 important ways that you can make $1,000 per month online. So if you're new to this channel, this online store, please, before we move forward, make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a like. Welcome. Let's get into the video. Many people have been making huge amounts of money online, and today may be your own opportunity. Take courage. The only thing that you need for you to make money online is just your computer, your mobile device. You can make money, huge amount of money, $1,000 per month. So in this video, I want to show you 5 ways you can make money. And I repeat myself, you can use either your laptop. If you don't have a laptop, you can use a mobile device. So long as you have an Android phone, you are free to go. So the first way I want to show you on how to make money online is freelancing. This is a means of, for instance, if you have if you have a talent, maybe you know how to create a website, and you go there. There's a platform there. There are platforms online that you go there and show your talent, and then tell people about what you can do. That, hi, I can do video editing. I can shoot video for you. I can create a website for you, and or whatever you know you can do. And then people will hire you to perform those services for them, and they will pay you for that. So we have platforms like Fiverr, like Upwork, like Freelancer, and there are many websites that allows you to showcase your talent, and people goes there to hire you and pay you for whatever you need you did for them. So for instance, here is Fiverr, one of the popular freelancing platform out there. So you can see there are many people here in this category. This is website designs. So many people there here are showcasing their talent. So for instance, this is one person say, I will print on demand, Shopify, Printful, and Etsy prints, so and blah 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 blah. So this person charged $10 per service. This man here charged $90 per service. I say, I will create a responsive website in 10 hours. So this one says, I will do a professional WordPress website for your business. So this person charged this year $15. So if I open, for instance, this person here, you can see this man here have 5 orders in queue. That means 5 people. He's working for 5 people at the moment. These 5 works that he has not done yet, that is on queue, he has not completed, and what he has completed already is 29. So you can see he charges $15 basic. Just basic. So if someone hire him to do premium, is $300. So you can see, let's say $300 times the 29 people that he has done before, and times plus the 5 people that is on queue. So you know how much this man is making per month. So someone like you can do this and make money online. So there are many places like Upwork, like Freelancer. So what are you waiting for? Fix yourself somewhere and make your money online. The second thing that I want to show you on how to make money online is blogging. So what is blogging? Blogging is a process of writing articles online and make money from it. If you come here to Google and search anything on Google, for instance, you can search here how to make money online. So you search here how to make money online. So you can see there are many articles here that Google is popping up, and you can see here this one says 17 ways to make money online in 2024. And there are many articles here. So someone may think that it's Google that wrote this thing. No, it's someone like you and I that wrote all these things and populate them on Google, publish them on Google. So what happens here is that if anybody click on any of these articles, it takes them to their website, and someone will be there reading. And so as someone is clicking and is reading this on their website, there are many ways the person is making money here. So one of the ways you can make money through articles is by running ads. Let me show you something. For instance, in my website, so if I come to my website here, this is my website, cashonnet.blogspot.com, and this is one of my articles that I teach how to make money from posting on interest from on Pinterest. So you can see ads are running. Look at this. These are ads, and you can see. Look at this one here. So if someone read this and read and read and read, and on the process of reading, ads are showing as you are seeing. By these ads, I'm earning money. The advertising company like AdSense will pay me for running their ads on my website. So by this, I'm earning money through articles. So if you don't write an article, you can run an ad and you can be paid. So this is one of the ways you can make money online. And there are many ways you can make money through blogging. So, but we can't go there for that today. That we'll reserve that for another day. So let's move to our third method that we can use to make money online. Ways number 3 on how to make money online. The third way you can make money online is affiliate marketing. Okay, let me explain what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is just is a means of marketing online whereby you market someone's product. This product is not yours. It's someone, for instance, someone that is selling maybe ebook, or someone that is selling bicycle, let me say for instance, and then the person is looking for someone who can help him sell more. So he goes to a platform, affiliate marketplace. So he goes there, and then like a showroom, and then he store there this his product there, and then affiliates like you and I will go there and then take those products and you know advertise them to people. So anybody that buys the product through you, the owner of that product will pay you a commission for bringing a customer to him. So affiliate marketing is just a means of bringing customer to someone else, to for the person to buy the man's product, and once that product is bought through you, then you will be paid a specific commission. For instance, if a product is sold for $20, the owner of the product may take $10 and give you $10 for bringing customer to him. So that's how affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is you don't own the product, someone owns the product. Your own work is just to bring customer to him, and you will be get paid. So this is another fantastic way you can make money online. There are many platforms that you can use, you know to there are many platforms you can go and advertise people's product online. So product I mean platforms like Clickbank, like Jumia, like Gigi. There are many platforms. So I think I've already taught that treated that on this channel on how to do affiliate marketing. So let me see if I can see that, check if I can see that video. If you want to learn how to make money through affiliate marketing, this is it. So you can watch this video. I will link it in the description box below, so you can watch this video and learn how you can make money online through affiliate marketing. And also, if you want to learn how to make money online through blogging, I have a huge tutorial on that, and which is what I'm also into now. So you can see blogger tutorial for beginners. So I make this video part by part, so you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can watch these videos from one to the other and learn how you can make money through article. There are many ways. I told you there are many ways you can make money through articles. That's why I created this video part by part, how to make money through blogging. So I advise you to watch this video and learn how you can make money through through blogging. So let's move to ways number 4 on how you can make money online. But before we get to do that, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please click the subscribe button now and click on the like button and like this video. And if you have any doubt, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. So let's move forward. Step number 4, or ways number 4 how you can make money online, is by selling online courses. Selling online courses. Now, if you know how, you have an idea, you can create an ebook. By the way, if you don't know how to create an ebook, you can do that on any way, any niche at all that you don't know. If you want to learn how to create an ebook, go to the comment section and right there make a video on how to create an ebook, and I will do that. You can use this to make money online. How do you make money through selling ebooks? You can sell online courses. Maybe as you are teaching here, if you are teaching on YouTube, you can advertise your book, your ebook. If someone likes it, the person can purchase. You can go to affiliate marketplaces like Amazon and then publish your book there. Amazon will sell your book for you and you make money. You can go to places like what's this one again? There are many places you can go and then publish your books. Then they will sell it for you. The only thing is that you have to pay you have to pay some money to the company, and then they will sell your books for you. So you can sell books, ebooks, and then make money from it. The last way I want to show you on how to make money online, which is super fantastic, is content creation. This is one of the fastest and one of the fastest way you can make money online if you put your effort on it. Is content creation. What is content creation? Is something like what I'm doing here, creating videos, teaching people. So if you have knowledge of anything, let's say how to create website, how to make money online, you can create videos, you can make shorts, whatever idea you need. So you can do that, create videos online and publish them on YouTube, on TikTok, and on LinkedIn and many of the platforms, and then you will get paid. So something like YouTube, you think that I'm here just here wasting my time. Now what I'm doing here teaching you, I know that YouTube will surely pay me. So that's why you see me, I use my time to teach you this, what I'm teaching you here. So this is one of the ways you can make money online. You can create videos and publish them on YouTube, publish them on TikTok, and you're making money from it. So these are ways you can make money online. Number one, I repeat myself, freelancing. If you want to learn how to if you want me to teach you freelancing, go to the comment section and let me know. The second way, blogging. The third way, selling online courses. The fourth way, affiliate marketing. And the last one is content creation. If you want me to show you how you can make money on YouTube, also go to the comment section and write the online store, make videos on how to make money on YouTube. There are many ways you can make money on YouTube. You can do videos without showing your face. You may say, I don't have camera. You don't need a camera because before you can go on YouTube. If you have a mobile device or a computer, you can start. You don't need all those things. You don't need to spend a dime. So starting, you can start as you are. So long as you have a mobile device, you can start. So there are many ways you can create shorts on YouTube. You can, and on TikTok also. TikTok pays. Yes, TikTok also pays. YouTube pays and TikTok pays. So you can go on YouTube. You can also go on TikTok and make money from it. And there's what we call YouTube automation, YouTube video automation. So if you want me to teach you what is YouTube video automation and how can go about it, go to the comment section and write there, and I will give you an answer. I will create a video for that. So right, these are the 5 ways that I want to show you today on how to make money online. So if this video interests you, please kindly give me a like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. If you want to know how to make money online through blogging, click on this video stream here. And for affiliate marketing, you want to learn affiliate marketing, this is the video, another video for that. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. We shall see in our next video. Goodbye.